There are two reasons you might be watching this video. The first is that your department might be doing all of their scheduling manually, which is spreadsheets, note cards, group texts, and it's getting really messy. And it's starting to eat into your schedule when you have better things to be working on. The second is your existing scheduling software is not meeting your needs and you're researching other options. Usually this is either price related or platform usability related. I'm going to address both concerns in this video. We built a scheduling system around the needs of first responders, but we work especially well with law enforcement agencies. We set up our pricing to be per user, which tends to be more affordable even for the smaller agencies. The goal of our company has always been to help departments be more orderly and efficient, and this is reflected in how we handle things like open shifts, time off requests, minimum staffing. Our developers take feedback directly from agencies, including officers, sergeants, commanders, and use this to build upgrades into the platform, which means, yes, if you use Hero Schedule, you get the opportunity to suggest new features. We built this software to address some key challenges that come up when we're talking about scheduling. The ability to manage different kinds of shifts was really important. Usually agencies come to us and they have an 8, 10, or 12 rotating type shift when they come to us, and they're always asking, hey, can you set this up? And yes, we can. We build our platform around pattern-based scheduling. So as long as your schedule has some sort of a repeating pattern, even if that's a 14 or 21 day repeating pattern, we'll be able to build it in Hero Schedule. And that makes the software very flexible for the needs of many different kinds of departments. Another big concern is officer safety and staffing requirements. We have a minimum staffing tool that allows us to communicate to leadership within each agency if staffing is falling short and what they can do to correct that. We also handle time off requests, vacation, sick time accruals, and open shifts. We can set up integrations with your payroll provider to help export data when it's time to close out the payroll report. We can do shift trades, which allow officers to trade shifts with each other seamlessly and get approved by supervisors. We can also do overtime management and labor compliance through the Fair Labor Standards Act and help you maintain compliance. This will be a very good replacement if you're doing scheduling by hand, and we think it'll be a good replacement if you're unhappy with your current software. We've even been told up to 6, 7, 8 hours a week have been saved through the software. And some bonuses that you get when you use Hero Schedule is that it's inexpensive when we use a per user pricing, which means that it can scale up and down with your agency. And when you sign up for Hero Schedule, all the features are included. We don't do any tiers or different package levels. It's all user-based pricing. And if you come to us with a 10 officer department, you get all the features that a 1,000 officer department has. We have US-based customer service, and you always have our contact information. You can reach out to us and let us know if something's not working or if you have a question, and we'll try to get you an answer right away. And you can also work with our developers to develop additional features. You can be the reason why something is added to Hero Schedule and help us make it better. If you're interested, the next step is one of two things. You can either submit your info and talk to our sales team, or if you're ready to go, you can click the Try Hero Schedule button, and that will allow you to set up an account and get started. We give you 30 days to try the platform completely free.